It seems hypothetical, but it happens all the time. I've been in meetings where people tell me that AI is going to take over their jobs, and I hope that's not the case. But one thing I know for sure is in the past, we all had fears about technology taking over. But here we are, we use computers to help us get things done faster, to help us get things done timely, to help us communicate with people across the whole world. So my view of technology, which also includes the AI, is it's to augment the human capacity, not necessarily take over their jobs or take over their existence. And I do know for sure you do need to learn how to use AI. And once you learn that, you become the master of it, and it's not the master of you. If you want to still have a job in this world, you need to learn AI and learn how you could use it to make your work better and faster.